Mohawk Athletic Hall of Fame class and formerly played professional football with the Dallas Cowboys and the Houston Oilers. He is joining us tonight to present Mason City High School with a commemorative Golden Football, which represents the Super Bowl High School Honor Roll. The Super Bowl High School Honor Roll celebrates high schools and communities that have contributed to Super Bowl history. This platform is designed to link the past 49 Super Bowls with this year's game and honor the players, head coaches, high schools, and communities that have positively impacted the game. Mason City High School is receiving the Golden Football tonight, produced by Wilson, in honor of Tom Randall, who graduated from Mason City High School and was on the Dallas Cowboys active Super Bowl 13 roster. This Golden Football features Tom's name, Mason City High School's name, and the Super Bowl that Tom appeared in. This program will become an annual tradition that celebrates Super Bowl players and head coaches by highlighting champions on and off the field. Nearly 3,000 players and head coaches and more than 2,000 high schools will be recognized through the program this season. Following every Super Bowl, every high